Hi guys, I'm Itchya Karki and today I'm super excited because I am officially a D-Expert now and आज चाहिँ मेरो पहिलो D-Expert video बन्दैछ related to makeup and I'm super excited to share with you guys because everything that you see on my face right now is available in Daraz and I have used these makeup products that is available in Daraz itself. So if you are, liking this look that I created for New Year's or Christmas or any other party that you want to go to, stay tuned and watch this entire video. So I'm going to start my New Year's or Christmas makeup look. So first I'm starting with my primer. I've already, cleaned my face with my face wash, my cleanser, my toner. And the first thing I'm using is this primer from Misa and I got this from Mizumi Cosmetics. So I'm gonna just start. So next, obviously, after eyebrows ko lagi, I'm using this LA Girl brow pomade from Obsession Cosmetics. And मलाई यसको consistency एकदम मन पर्छ किनभने it is in gel format. So I'm gonna take this brush, my eyebrow brush, and I'm gonna start drawing a line. And from the end, and my highest point of the eyebrows, I'm just gonna connect it. And I'm just gonna connect these dots. It's basically like puzzle just to connect garde jane. Alright, so my desired shape aeपछि then I'm gonna start filling in my eyebrows. And now your eyebrows are define garnako लागि, I'm gonna use this concealer from LA Girl. It's the Pro Conceal shade in Porcelain and this is from Obsession Cosmetics. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start outlining my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna take this setting powder from CMB, which is Color Me Beautiful from Saisa. So I'm just gonna take very little of it. You can just take the same powder and just apply it on the eyebrows as well. So as I say, I'm using this Technique eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it's very, very beautiful. Different color options and I'm really loving these teal colors. So I'm gonna use that. And this palette is from Lavish Me. So I'm gonna start right ahead with my eye makeup. Alright guys, so I'm almost done with the look. After the look complete, I want this extra little touch of gold. So this is also a glitter eyeshadow from Technique by Lavish Me. So I'm just going to use this and I'm just going to take a little bit more of the eyeshadow. So you can see almost like a very nice bright look is forming. And to end this eye look, I'm just going to take the same palette and I'm just going to take this glittery shades and I'm just going to end it. You can see my eyes look very bright and popping. You look complete like we love gajal in Nepal. So I'm going to use this really amazing gajal from Flory Roberts and this is from Saisa's. So the best thing about this, you can see it's this and it also has a smudgy brush. So then I can give it a smoked out look as well. Right, so as you can see, line just because I want to see the outline, how it's gonna look. I'm gonna use the liner and this liner is from Etude House and this is from Mizumi Cosmetics. So main kura whenever you're lining, your corner ko part la pani ekdamai dhyan dinu parcha kin yahabata chai thakkai eyes ko shape chhutincha. Alright, my eye look almost sakisakeko cha. So to finish up with the eye look, ma chahi mascara use gardechu and this is from the Face Shop and yo chahi I'm getting it from Mizumi Cosmetics. Alright guys, so my eye makeup sakisakeko cha. As you can see, I've done this really nice vibrant green and golden and dark eyes. This is great for the nighttime. And now I'm going to finish up my eye look with these beautiful lashes from the Face Shop. This is also from Mizumi Cosmetics. Alright guys, so my eye makeup so you can see my lashes, the green color, the gold with it, everything looks very nice together. Obviously, I'm going to start with my base. And the base I'm using Maybelline Ko Fit Me Foundation in the shade 115 and this is from Obsession Cosmetics. So makeup गर्ने बेलामा चाहिँ do not ever forget your neck and your ears किन भन्दाखेरि नभए face अर्को color, neck अर्को color, ears अर्को color हुन्छ. So you don't want that. So मलाई चाहिँ मेरो base एकदमै light राख्न मन लाग्छ हैन, not heavy coverage at all. So म जहिले पनि थोरै product लिएर I like to work it all over my face. So now moving on, I'm going to use my concealer, which is from LA Girl. This is the Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain, the one that I used before, and this is from Obsession Cosmetics. So I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to start using it in different areas of my face. Jada मलाई लाग्छ कि I need more light to focus. म त्यहाँ मेरो concealer use गर्दैछु. Obviously, you can use your concealer so lines or कहिलेकाहीँ हुन्छ नि smile lines मा use गर्दा हुन्छ. Anywhere as such where you have redness, त्यो सबै areas मा use गर्दा हुन्छ. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend out the concealer. Alright, I'm almost done my base. I'd say because I'm going to a party, a Christmas and New Year party, I'm gonna set my base. So I'm using this translucent powder from CMB and this is from Saisa's. So it's like action bake corner din. So this is called baking your face, you know. So I'm just letting my face bake for a bit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start my contour. So I'd say I'm using this Technique matte mega bronze, bronzing palette, and you can see there's different shades to it. And this is from Lavish Me. म जहिले पनि कन्ट्रोल गर्ने बेलामा चाहिँ अलिकति लाइटर ब्राउन देखि नै स्टार्ट गर्छु because एकैचोटी मलाई धेरै कन्ट्रोल पनि गर्न मन लाग्दैन. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to start, give पहिला चाहिँ म शेप दिन थाल्छु आफुलाई कस्तो टाइपको कन्टुर चाहिन्छ just to see. And then obviously my forehead and मेरो ठ्याक्कै यो jaw line बाट I just like to take this down here. Now moving ahead, I'm going to take मेरो powder brush and अघिको जुन मैले त्यो CMB को setting powder लाएको थिएँ, I'm just going to wipe it off. As you can see, your area, it's very, very set. So, the whole night party garda pani or even whatever function I have, this makeup is not gonna move, which is amazing. So we're almost done, and now moving on towards my favorite part, which is the blush. I'm using the Technique Matte Mega Blush set, and it's matching 4 different colors also, and this is also from Lavish Me. And I'm just gonna swirl it all around. So if it's art color, I'm just gonna go like this, and I'm just gonna slightly place this blush. Alright, so finishing up my face look, I'm using this beautiful highlighter from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Mega Glow. So it is actually very, very beautiful. I've used this before as well. So I'm going to highlighter fan brush. I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face. Alright guys, so my look is almost complete. Ab ela complete garnako lagi मेरो lip color मध्ये बाँकी छ, and since my eyes are so bright, I've decided to go with this really nudish pink tone, and this is from Golden Rose, and this I got it from Revival Point. So I'm going to go ahead and use this beautiful nudish pink lip color. So I'm almost done with the makeup for sure. I'm going to finish up this look with the Fix Me Makeup Fixer Spray from Missa. So this is actually very, very sheer, and it kind of gives you like this really dewy finish. And we're done!